Create stunning product photo shoots with AI for free. Upload a photo of your product to this AI tool and describe in just one line the model's look, pose, lighting, and background style. In under 2 minutes, you'll be blown away by the stunning results. Already have a model's photo and want your product shoot to match it perfectly? This tool makes it effortless. Hey guys, if you run an online clothing store and professional photography feels too costly, AI now lets you create high-quality photo shoots for free. Simply uploading product photos without a professional shoot won't drive sales. But now, just like top brands such as New Look and Zara, you can showcase eye-catching product images and watch your sales grow. I'll give you a step-by-step demo on how to create such product photo shoots for your website and Instagram, and trust me, it will change your world. Using Fooocus AI tool for professional product photo shoots. To create these professional photo shoots, we'll use an AI tool called Fooocus. The link to this tool is at the top of my video description. Click it to access the page. Once you're on the page, click the Connect button. When it shows connected, click the Play button. Then click Run Anyway. Once the tool runs, you'll see some links at the bottom where it says Started Successfully. Click on the given link to start using the app. No need to worry about the technical details. Just follow the steps I walk you through. This is the interface of the Fooocus AI tool, which we'll use today to create a professional product photo shoot. Example, creating a photo shoot for a dress. I'm using one of the dresses from my online clothing store. I want a professional photo shoot to show how this dress would look on a model. Here's how we do it. Open the Fooocus AI tool and click Input Image. Upload a photo of the dress you want to be modeled. Click Advanced to tweak settings for the best results. Set stop add to 0.85. Set weight to 0.98. Click on the Advanced button to access more settings. For high-quality results, select Quality Mode instead of Speed Mode. Speed Mode generates images faster but with lower quality. Choose how many images you want to generate, e.g., 2 images of models wearing the dress. Select the output format, PNG, JPG, or WEBP. I'm choosing PNG. Set the aspect ratio, e.g. 832 by 1216, 13:19. Selecting styles for the best photo shoot, go to the Styles tab and select Focus Masterpiece and Focus Photograph. You can experiment with other options to see what works best. Writing the perfect prompt for AI. Now, in the main text box, describe the photo shoot details. A beautiful young woman with smile face, full body. One girl, click Generate. Within minutes, the images are ready. Look at this stunning AI-generated image. No spending on models, backgrounds, or lighting. Just by uploading a photo, AI has created a professional-looking photo shoot. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. See you in my next video.